Oh my gosh, Bloomerinos, are you getting into the season of creating all the spooky things for your home? Maybe you're like me and you want to have a cute theme going that's not too scary. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make a really simple swag. And this one is great and easy. We've done stuff like this for other seasons, but this is the first time I've done one for Halloween because we have this really cool black glitter twig base. It's all artificial and it's ready to go. But it's one of those things you want to really see the cool twigs. You don't want to cover it up too much. What we've done is we've created a really funky, fun bow for the swag. And we have the video. If you don't know how to make bows, you need help with that, we'll walk you through step by step how to make this bow. We've got that available for you too. We'll link it below. And then we're going to use these cute candy corn picks. And I picked these out specifically because, of course, they have the beautiful colors like we used in the ribbons in the bow. But the neat thing is they have this fun texture, but they're wispy. And they have a black stem, so it's going to coordinate really great with the swag base. So let's take this now and let me start to create our design. Now, a lot of times we have to do so much, placement. You got to learn so much to put something in something, but this time is an exception. You guys are going to love this one. So literally what I want you to do is just shake hands with your piece, and that means just spacing everything out with your pick. And that's important because you want it to look really fun and whimsical. And I'm going to lay that down here, and I'd like that to kind of come out kind of midway to 2/3 way of the base here. And so you don't have to do a whole lot, but I like to kind of intermingle it a little into the twig, like pull the twig out, put those are behind. So there's a little dimension. Doesn't have to be a ton, but a little bit. So I just did that really easily. And don't cut anything yet because we're not sure exactly how we're going to put the bow. Now I've got to shake hands with the other side. And so get these white glitter picks up. You want those to be moving around. And this I want to come out of the top. So somewhere about here. That way that kind of camouflages the hanger and everything is really going to look super cute with the bow at the top. Now once I'm happy with that, I might shift it up just a little bit. It doesn't have to go too much, but I think that's fun. And then our bow will just go in the middle. So the first thing you want to do is cut these to where they have an overlapping section, but we don't need a whole bunch of extra wire. Now you want to hold on with any good wires like this because there may be another project to use these in. Hold on to them because they're really nice and great to use for other deals. We've got some black cable ties, which means we won't even have to hide them. They'll mix right in and disguise. So I'm going to come right here in the middle and I'm going to attach those to the base. That easy. My gosh, if you wanted to whip some of these out for a craft show, it's super cute. So basically a couple of picks and a bow. It's because you're starting with this really cool base that is so whimsical and fun. What do you think? What do you think? So far, so good. Now let's put on our bow that we already made. Like I said, oh my God, this is so fast and so cute. These would be great to put on your sconces at the front door. You can make some ribbon hangers to make them hang down lower if you need to get below a light fixture. This is too fun, y'all. Okay, I'm attaching this with a cable tie also, and then we'll get in there and cut that one off. This one had a green cable tie, but you're not going to see it anyway. It's all in the back. Look how cute. Look at there. We got our curls. Now, if you wanted to add a little more fun and ribbon, you could. You could put ribbon hangers at the top to hang them, like I said, down from sconces. I thought it would be so cute to make this just a little bit scarier by adding in a couple of hands trying to grab our candy. So we're going to grab a cable tie and pop those in too, where they will be tucked in, kind of grabbing at our candy. So the first one I'm going to use up here at the top and just slide it under where the other one was. And I'm going to give it a good bend so it can have some, a little bit of movement. Oh, yes, look at that. So it's kind of coming right up the top of the bow right here. And then let's take the second one and we can make this kind of go in the other way, kind of coming into here. Now this one I'm going to tie on separately. So how about like right there? And now not only is it cute candy, but the hands are making it a little bit more creepy to go with the vibe of creepy vine in the background, the glittery vines. I'm going to tie that on really tight so it holds, and I'm trying to tuck that under the bow so you don't even see it. And we're going to be able to use just one cable tie. I think that'll work great. Now all you got to do is fluff out this ribbon just a little bit. Push that behind. You're not even going to see that attachment, please. And oh my gosh, how cute is that? So we took it from cutesy to a little bit more creepy, but not that much creepier, right? Isn't that cute? I love it. So put the hands in there, pop them in, just if you want a little more creepy vibe. I think that would be adorable as well. All right, so make sure you grab a spot on our text list, Bloomerinos. If you haven't yet, text us VIP to 832-734-5201 so you never miss another video, and we'll share with you when we've got new stuff coming your way. All right, I'll see you next time. I can't wait to see you in design school. Bye, Bloomerinos.